All right, well, we got some stuff from Amazon here. Open this thing up. Be like the world's smallest package. Supposedly terabyte hard drive, or sorry, SD card. Um, whether or not it is or not, I don't know. So the idea is, hopefully, we can put it in the laptop over here. And since this laptop has kind of like a really embedded card reader, it's like really deep in there, where you'll never ever bump it. It's not going to stick out at all. In fact, it mounts indented a little bit. We're going to test that out here in a second. In the meantime, we'll go over here and see what we got on the band. And I'm going to pull out the 101 here in a minute. I want to see if we got any. It doesn't appear to be. Let me see here. Oh, what did I just do? I wonder if I bumped something I wasn't supposed to. Okay, so I'm still gonna take this VFO knob off. Victor 31 X-ray. Again. I just heard him. I don't know where he went. So it means we have conditions from here to South America. Okay, so just finishing something up over here. Pretty rough. Okay, so let's see what this thing does. We'll just cut it open here with this razor blade. Hopefully it works. I really don't want to deal with any kind of returns on Amazon anymore. Amazon customer service has went in the toilet, and so that was the one reason that I really liked Amazon, was that great customer service. They went above and beyond, and they went out of their way for you. It doesn't seem to be the case anymore. You get people that they just either they sound like they're in their garage, like I am right now, answering phones, or something weird. There's a lot of background noise, and they don't seem to know what the hell they're doing, and just Amazon is not the same anymore. So I don't like to have to deal with returns with them anymore. I'm still waiting on my return for this printer. Okay. So let's try this. So this particular laptop, you like literally have to use your fingernail and push the thing in there all the way. And then, once you do that, what am I up on? The bad thing about this little laptop, it's really fast, but it has no storage, and it only has 2 USBs. Okay. Alright. I know they have certain software to test these. So let's go look and see what this thing says. Properties. It shows 999 gigabytes. I'm wondering what that thing is called. Fake something test. Fake SD card test. Let's try this. How to verify a fake micro SD cards. Okay, let me see here. I just seen somebody on Amazon had done this, so I'm like, I want to try it too, because the most common fake SD card is the fake capacity expanded card, which uses illegal means and tools to make the card with a smaller capacity appear larger. For example, a 32 gigabyte card is displayed as 128 on your computer or other devices. This kind of card usually has a lower price than the official quality goods. Since the capacity is manually deceived by illegal means and tools, so that the space beyond the original capacity cannot be used normally, as long as the stored file exceeds the actual capacity, the file will be unavailable. Our camera recognizes SD card and will format it in FAT32 and create an index file to save to your data. This process reads and writes the entire space of the SD card and checks whether it's valid. If your card is expanded, it will not be formatted successfully and will not work properly on our camera. Okay, so this is a company that sells TP-Link. They sell cameras. And so apparently they're having such a problem, I guess, with that they need to write a tutorial. Perform a fake SD card test with the top 4 SD card checkers. It is reported that there are plenty of fake SD cards, flash drives, and CF cards on the market. However, note if a SD card is fake, Minitool will introduce some flash drive tests to help you conduct the fake micro SD card test. In addition to the fake SD card test, you can also learn through the common types and issues of memory cards in this post. Okay, so Minitool must be one of them. Issues with fake SD cards. Fake SD cards can work well, fake memory cards can't work well and even may cause some issues. To be specific, they have slower speeds than they claim. Your plan will be affected as they take much time to finish the work. Common fake brand, fake reduced capacity, unrealistic capacity, reduced speed, not working at all. Products, inspect memory card. Top 4 SD card checkers. Quick SD card speed test on Windows PC. Let's see. Fake flash test by RM Prep USB. I think that's the one I was actually looking at. H2 test W. Flash drive card tester. They don't have any links to any of these. Chip Genius. Okay, so let's see if we can find a link to this. Minitool Partition Wizard. I'm very leery of downloading a lot of this stuff because they know somebody's looking something up and they're taking advantage of this fact, getting you to download some other crap that's got like spyware on it. So let's see here. If you would like to find a free partition tool for SD card, this best why and how to test an SD card. The good news is that you can test this card speed with free tools like Mini Tool Partition Wizard. Okay. And the free edition. Let's see if this where'd it go? Where'd it go? Okay, it's opening. Would you like to install this spyware on your computer? Yes, please. Would you like English or Chinglish? No, I want the free. Try the pro trial for free. No. Let's see. Change cluster size. We might not be able to even do anything with this one. Do not want to participate in the customer experience improvement program. No. Oh Lord. You gotta read the fine print. This is probably spyware anyway. You don't get anything for free anymore. They've all got a reason to give it to you for free. Either somebody comes up with a new product and they want to get people to try it out so they can get their foothold. So they offer it for free, and then once they establish themselves, it no longer is free. So while we're waiting for this, let's go here and see disk benchmark. Okay, so the SD card speed test on Windows is easy through the disk benchmark feature on Mini Tools Partition Wizard. The one that I wanted to do was the other one, the fake deal. Let me see if I can find it. Fake flash test. I'm just going to search this. Okay. Copy. Paste. Okay. Fake flash test download. Let's see, there's that. Then there's also the official deal. Yeah. Cookies, track me. Bootable USB drive. Test fake SD flash drive cards. Fake flash test download. Password is fake. Okay. Version 1.12 for testing flash drive based less than 2 terabyte. So they have a couple different ones. Okay. Let's go and unzip this folder. Extract all. And the password is fake. F-A-K-E. Okay. Not sure why there's a password on it, but okie dokie. Alright. Run as administrator. More info. Run anyway. It's always great when you get a warning from Windows. Of course, who are you going to trust, the internet or Bill Gates? Okay, so drive list right here. Okay. Quick size test. It says it's destructive. Yeah. Okay. Let me go ahead and close this. I don't want to destroy it to test it. That's stupid. Let's see if they go into any details about why it would be destructive. The most common problem you will have with flash drive memory is that they have been fake. A 1 terabyte flash drive or SD card for $30 is obviously fake. Okay, well, mine was even less than that. Note, the fake flash drive test was designed to quickly check if the flash drives are fake. They have been programmed to lie about their size. It does not check all the memory for faults. It says destructive. Test your suspected fake SD card or USB flash drive in a few minutes rather than hours. If Windows Defender blocks the download, you will need to download the password to lock the zip file. Fake. Fake flash test downloads on this page do not contain viruses. Some people have found that the test fails on all devices that they test. This seems to be due to something that has been installed on Windows. Fake flash test destroyed my flash drive card. You may find your memory device worked before you used it, but now you cannot reformat it. FFT only reads and writes the normal standard sectors of your memory device. It does not do anything special to the device. The most common reason for failure to reformat is that you are trying to format an NTS volume. The reason it used to work when you received it is usually because it was originally formatted FAT32. Okay. If you cannot partition or format your USB drive at all, your device is now dead, Jim. This often happens when sectors writes are made to a fake USB drive sector which don't actually exist near the end of the large fake drive. For instance, the USB device controller firmware is asked to write a sector at 128 kilobytes, but there is 16 gigabytes of flash memory. Based on this, there is no way that I'm going to run this thing, because it's quite possible that it will destroy my card. Okay? So, I don't know. I'm not going to do it. I don't know enough about what I'm doing, so we'll just go ahead and stop this. No. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, this poor laptop has 58 gigabytes of memory. That's what it comes with. And of course, you can imagine how much Windows uses. So, what I want to see here, it says FAT32. It's kind of nice this thing shows me all this stuff. We've got some kind of master boot record 10. What? Disk 2. 100 megabytes, 16, and 57. 98% used. That's why I'm having problems with this thing anyway. Let's see. Disk benchmark. Let's see. Space Analyzer. Scan. I don't know what disk D is. That might not be it. Okay. It says something percent apparent. I don't know. I don't know how to read this. Okay. Let's try this disk benchmark. A transfer Q. Start testing the disk. Please wait. Hopefully I don't ruin it. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this or not, but we'll just see what it does. So I'm hoping that this is not fake, but you know, at $17 for a terabyte, I mean, that just seems a little too good to be true. I don't even care if it's slow, you know. I just want the storage. We're at 50%. So you can get a free up storage message all the time. Okay. And if this thing's good, I can just leave it in here and save all my stuff in here. You know, I don't have to screw around with it. Okay, so what does it say? So these are megabytes per second. Transfer size. I have no idea what these numbers mean. So looks like is it physically there? Here's a disk benchmark tutorial. Okay, how to measure the performance. Sequential. Transfer size. Okay. What kind of performance did you expect? As users know, the SSD enjoys fast read-write speeds, but how fast can you go? Usually, an SSD can connect with SATA interface, brings 500 megabytes per second. I really don't know what we're doing here. I think that they're referring to regular hard drives, so let me see here. So the transfer size is 4 kilobytes. The total length is 32. Why is it showing 200 megabytes? I don't know what we're talking about here. So shows the size here. Okay. I would guess it's transferring somewhere around 17 to 11 megabytes per second. Sequential writing and sequential reading. So it's just really slow, I think. I'm not going to sit here and fiddle with this much more. I just want to see if the card like works, so I'm going to actually start using it and see what happens.